Example number 3, using stat edit, find the slope, y-intercept, and the equation of the line for the 2 points below. The points we have are 7, -1, and 0, 3. The 7 is your L1 or your X value. The -1 is the Y, or in the calculator, you're going to put it in L2. Same thing here. So L1 and then L2. Now, if I pull up my calculator, we're going to put 7. Okay. And then the -1 goes on the right side. Whoops. So -1. Still not doing it. -1. There we go. So if you look at it, there's a line down the middle. That's the same thing as the comma that's right here. Okay. And then we're going to go back and we're going to do the other point. So 0 goes on the left and the 3 goes on the right. Okay. So now it should look just like the point, 7, -1, 0, and then 3. And then we're going to go stat, calc, 4, and it should say L1 and L2. If it doesn't, that means something's messed up and you need to reset your calculator. And then we're going to hit enter all the way down, and we get this. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and snapshot it, and we're going to put it on the thing. Okay, now there should be there is a way to take this decimal and make it into a fraction. So if you hit clear and you type in the number exactly as it appears, you should be able to do math and then 1 to make it a fraction, and then hit enter. Oops. Sorry, let me try it again. 0.5714285714. And then we go math and then 1 for a fraction. Now it works. So your fraction is going to be 4/7. I think there are some issues with the Chromebook calculators. So if you're having trouble doing this, I think it'll work for the smaller fractions or smaller decimals. So math 1, so 0.25. But it's not going to work for the really long ones like this one. If that's a problem, then go ahead and just put it with the first 2 digits after the decimal place. So I would accept -0.57 today, and then we'll figure out how to make the graphing calculators work on the Chromebook. But if not, and you can convert it, your slope is going to be 4/7. You have to be careful because with STAR, when you go to take your end of course exam, they're going to most likely give you all fractions. Okay, so slope is -0.5714285714 or 4/7. The intercept is 3. And then when you write your equation, you put the slope in front of the x, and then put the intercept as your plus or minus. So the equation is y equals 4/7 x plus 3.